Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install WordPress under Hostinger. Before installing WordPress, you will need just two things. First, a hosting plan. If you already have one, it's fine. If you don't have a hosting plan, you need to buy one. Second, a domain name. If you don't have a domain name, you cannot install WordPress. So make sure that you have a domain name. Now let's move on to the final action. As you can see, I have logged in to my Hostinger account. Now I have to select the domain where I want to install WordPress. To find all the domain, I have to go to the domain section. In the domain section, you will find all the domain that you have bought from Hostinger. In the external domain section, you will find all the domains that you have pointed out from other providers. Now, I will show you how to install WordPress under an external domain. Don't worry, the process remains same for the all domains. Now, to install WordPress, click on the website section. After clicking, all the domain will be visible. Now, you have to select a domain to install WordPress. I'm going to install it under this domain. So, now I have to click on the dashboard option. As you can see, there is an option called Auto Installer. Now, click on Auto Installer. After clicking, this page will be open. From this page, select WordPress. Now, you have to fill up this box with information such as administrator email, username, and password. After filling this information, click on the next button. On this page, you should not make any changes. It should remain same. So, click on install button and WordPress will be installed after some time. Boom! WordPress was just installed under my domain. Now it's time to log into my website backend. To log in, open a new browser and type your domain name. At the end of your domain name, add a / wp-admin. After that, hit enter from your keyboard. Now, on this page, you have to provide the username and password that you have provided during install WordPress. After providing username and password, click on login. Boom! I have successfully installed WordPress. So that's it guys for today. If you have enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like the video. Also, if you want to get this kind of WordPress tutorial, don't forget to subscribe the channel. I will meet with you in the next video.